What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs, and today we have a 2024, this is a 1500 AT4 from GMC. We had a little bit of a run where it was only the 2500s and 3500s with that refresh that were out early for the 2024. The 1500s have finally landed. When it comes to a vehicle that you would love to daily, a leveling kit oftentimes is adequate enough for a bunch of customers for us. We sent this one up on the 1-inch level from Cognito. This does include control arms and the Fox shocks. Now, a lot of customers do reach out to us and ask why we would do something to a brand new truck and change out the shocks. And you know what? At the end of the day, these trucks, even though they are an off-road version, are still built by accountants. I believe that the upgraded shocks that they are putting on these trucks are still twin tube shocks, and you know what, I definitely favor monotube shocks, especially those that are going to be custom valved like a Fox shock or something of the like. Monotube shocks are great for both on pavement and off pavement driving. They're going to give you that planted feel even over the bigger expansion joints without a lot of extra movement. They're also going to keep those tires planted as you go over washboard roads. You don't want that chatter kind of moving the truck around. Also, with the new control arm, you do free up that ball joint to move. When it comes to getting your truck to handle a little bit better, the up travel is just as important as the down travel, or the droop travel as some people call it. And having a custom control arm with a better ball joint is a great way to smooth out that ride. The wheels are going to be a 20x10. They are the Fuel Flame in this black and milled color. And we wrapped those in a 295/60 R20 Falcon Wildpeak AT3W. A lot of the guys that are in the cold weather climates and they need a snow rating on their tire or that severe service rating, they will opt for these. They're a great tire, and if you spend any time on the forums, usually this tire is going to have its name come up multiple times in any question about tires. And then we got the EGR pocket style fender flares. These are riveted, and we did paint match them to the Summit white that this truck came in. Really makes it look clean and really kind of minimizes that stance that is outside of the fender wells, so this truck isn't washing itself with the magnesium chloride as we hit wintertime or throwing rocks on itself. All right guys, Brian, SoCo Customs, give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow, and we're going to chat with you in the next video.